We are told to simplify a rational expression below. So, solution. Now, the top one is, this one is a subtraction, that one is subtraction. So we have to find the LCM for h. So we say the LCM of the top is going to be x, y. So this thing into x will give you y squared. Then that one will be x squared. So the bottom one too will be xy. The top is x minus y. So that will be equal to y squared minus x squared over xy divided by x minus y over xy. So you just get the reciprocal of that. So that would be y squared minus x squared over yx over xy or yx the same times xy over x minus y. So this just cancel out because that is multiplication. So we are left with y squared minus x squared over x minus y. So this is just the square of two numbers. So it will be x y plus x over times x y minus x over x minus y. You can see here this one there's nothing the same as from the top with the bottom one. So you find a way so that you can cancel the bottom out. What is that way? So you have x minus y minus x and then y plus x and then y minus x all over x minus y. Now you can switch this one to negative outside. That would make the inside to be x minus y times y plus x all over negative y minus x minus y. So this now can cancel out and we have negative 1 into bracket x plus y or y plus x. Thanks for your time.